Today we are here at Apo Motors to check out the prices of affordable foreign used cars for you to buy. And this car is going for 17 million naira and it's slightly negotiable. And this car is going for 19.5 million naira and it's slightly negotiable. And this car is going for 21 million naira and it's slightly negotiable. Go to the comment section now and tell me the type and price of car you are looking for, and I will make a video about it just for you. And it's going for 27 million naira and it's slightly negotiable. Wait, don't make payments for any of these cars until you have done your physical inspection and test drive.
If you need any of these cars, you can reach us on 080-380.
So watch this video to the end, make a choice and call the phone number at the end of this video to contact the dealer for inquiries and negotiation. This is a clean foreign used Toyota Highlander white color 2016 model. This is the engine 2GRFE V6 engine. This is the interior fabric seat interior, the clean dashboard, reverse camera sound system, factory fitted AC, thermostat, automatic transmission, back AC controller right here. This is the back seat view. It also has a third row seat, AC vent on the roof. It has a sunroof, 2016 model. It has a reverse camera and this car is going for 31 million naira and it's slightly negotiable. This is foreign used Mercedes Sprinter Bus 2014 model 4-block engine. Okay, this is the interior, the sound system, factory fitted AC, manual drive, DVD head player right here. Let's see the back view. This is the inside view for 14 passengers. Can use it as your school bus. It has AC vents at the roof. This car is very neat, can use for passengers, everything. 2014 model. Let's take a look at the trunk. As you can see it, you see, very beautiful. You can use this car for your school bus, for passengers, anything. Like and share this video. Follow us and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Video Map TV. Now. And this Sprinter bus is going for 28 million naira and it's slightly negotiable. This is a clean foreign used Hyundai Tucson 2017 model 4-block 2-bore engine. This is the interior, leather seat interior, the steering, the clean dashboard, reverse camera sound system, factory fitted AC. Here you go, back AC vent right here. This is the back seat view. This car is very beautiful, Honda. It has a sealed roof, 2017 model, all-wheel drive. This car has a reverse camera and it's going for 27 million naira and it's slightly negotiable. This is a clean foreign used Toyota Highlander 2012 model limited edition. Here you go, the engine 2GRFE V6 engine. This is the interior, leather ventilated seat interior, the clean dashboard, reverse camera sound system, factory fitted AC, thermostat, back AC vent controller here. This is the back seat view. It also has a third row seat, AC vent at the roof. It has a sunroof, 2012 model limited edition. It has a reverse camera and this car is going for 21 million naira and it's slightly negotiable. This is another clean foreign used Toyota Camry XSE Extra Sport Edition 2015 model, ash exterior. This is the engine 2GRFE V6 engine. This is the interior, black ventilated seat interior, clean dashboard, thermostat, reverse camera sound system, factory fitted AC. This car has a wireless charger. Here you go, the back AC vent right here, the back seat view, very beautiful and comfortable for 3 persons. It has a sunroof, 2015 model with a reverse camera and this car is going for 19.5 million naira and it's slightly negotiable. This is foreign used Toyota Camry Sport Edition 2016 model. This is the engine WVTi 4-block fuel economical engine. This is the interior fabric seat interior, clean dashboard, reverse camera sound system, factory fitted AC, thermostat, automatic transmission. This is the back seat view. As you can see, it's very beautiful. It has a sealed roof 2016 model. It has a reverse camera, and this car is going for 17 million naira, and it's slightly negotiable. What will you advise people to watch out for when buying a foreign used car?
Well, if people are buying a foreign used car, they need to watch out for the car history. That is the first one. Well, most cars outside now, some people go for a cheaper cars. Some cars come with a theft history. Some come with flood history. That is a tsunami cars. We have some that come with accident history. So when you check the history, by that you will be able to know the car you are buying, and by that you'll be able to know the value of what you are getting for your money. So it's preferable if you buy a car with a minor accident, well fixed, than buying a car or buying a flooded car or a car that is being theft or stolen.
Name 3 cars you will advise people to buy today and why.
According to Nigeria factors today, the 3 cars I can advise people to buy, we have Toyotas, and coupled with Lexus brands, then Honda cars as well, then they are Hyundai. So they are the ones that are most fuel efficient in using, and the maintenance are far cheaper compared to the brand of other Benz or BMW.
Name 1 car you would not advise anyone to buy today.
Well, that depends on individual choices. But as for me, if people are buying, you check your pocket size or your income size before you buy a car. If I should advise, I will say all cars are good. Depends on the maintenance culture. It is wiser to buy a car that you can maintain, because there are some cars that are cheaper in maintaining than others. At least you can compare the cost of maintaining Toyota to cost of maintaining a Benz. So it's far different.
Do you swap cars?
Yeah, we do.
Where do you get your cars from?
Well, my cars are from US. I buy majorly from Texas.
Do you rent cars?
That was before, but now I stopped it due to some personal reason.
And the prices of your cars negotiable?
As far as Hyundai is concerned, I'm one of the people that have the best price of cars, because all my cars are direct.
Do you accept instrumental payment?
Yes, I do. Some people come through auto check, some people come through banks, and we sell for them. But we don't do hire purchase, but we do installment payment.
What is the price of the cheapest car you have here in your dealership?
Well, the cheapest car I have here now, I can say like this Camry. This is the cheapest car I have. And this one is 16 million. It's 2016 model.
Why are the prices of foreign used cars going up these days?
Well, the prices are going up due to dollar exchange. That is the number 1 root cause. The number 2 root cause is the custom duty. As a dealer, when you bring in a car for sale, depends on the duty. You know, most customers, whenever they want to buy, they will need to confirm the duty you pay on your car. And once your car is duty fully paid, so your price is tend to be at the top range because of the duty. There are some people that have a cheaper car, but the duty is questionable. So when you have a car with a good genuine duty custom, so you don't have issue. You say.
Do you do car delivery services to your buyers?
Yes, I do. I have customers all over the places, both in Abuja, Port Harcourt. So when I sell for them, my drivers take those cars to them, deliver in person.
Are your cars stolen cars?
No, my car are not stolen cars. My car are direct. I do buy them with my license in the US. Yeah, I buy them myself. I imported them myself, and I do the clearing. I pay the custom duty.
Please ensure that everything is working perfectly well before you make any payment. For more interesting videos like this, like and share this video. Follow us and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Video Mark TV. Now.
My name is Paul Agbola. You are welcome to Apo Motors. If you need any of these cars, you can reach us on 080-380-66058. 080-380-66058. The same WhatsApp number. Our address is number 1 Sueno Street, Western Avenue, Surulere, by Stadium Bus Stop, Lagos, Nigeria.